All right, so today's starting out to be one of those either really awesome days or not such a good day, back to the drawing board. So since the last video, I put the Lake carburetor on there, 38 millimeter, and I put an X5 mag in it, and don't have a throttle cable still. My experience with X5s is those things are one kick. They're one kicks. So with the Lake carburetor, once you turn the fuel petcock on, they're flowing fuel. So if you don't start them right away, they'll sump. So they are pretty good at being one kick bikes if the motor's in good shape, and this thing's brand new. So there you go. Completely stone cold motor. That rattle is the mag. Once the motor warms up, that rattle will go away. It's the quick start of the magneto. So when the idle's too low,